Wow, that 4-hour candle looks like it just got inverse. Four-hour candle looks nasty. See the 15-minute here. 15-minute looks kind of weird. The hourly. See that 487 is what I'm looking at here. Probably 30, about 37 entry. It looks like it's trying to go for that 487 right here. That's the iceberg. And on the hourly, if we do come up, then we're gonna come down first. We're gonna come down and then we're gonna come up to create that wick. It's just a hidden orders. It detected buyers there. At that 487, it detected that there was buyers there, so it took a batch, and then now it's coming back for the second batch. That's what it means. It doesn't feel all in one shot. Yeah, this thing looks like it's going down for that. 487. So it's 478 is my stop loss, guys. I'm giving it a little room because that's where the order is at. Hopefully those iceberg gets move up. If it moves up, then we get our longs. That was that connection loss. Not cool, man. Not cool. That was that. Trying to fight a little bit here. Good sign. So 550 is the nearest liquidity up there. And then we got 565, 590, 550, that's 590. 590 is right here. $550 is right here. We're about to turn green right now, guys. Turn positive here. Take away this thing. I can't see anything. Oh shit. What's that? I said just field order. Well, how weird is that? Yeah. 487 right there is it's trying to go for that. So it looks like it's trying to pull itself down there. See how it just keeps pulling its way down there? 487. That's the iceberg. We need that iceberg to move up, right? Because that means buyers are interested in pushing it up instead of trying to get it down there. 487. See, don't have any news or anything, right? $487 is iceberg, guys. So I'm gonna get an alert there. You can see it, right? You can see how it's trying to get to that order. If you look at the book map, that's what it's attracted to. It just keeps getting pulled down there. You know, that's the same thing as liquidity. Right? It's trying to fill those orders. No, there isn't. I'm just checking to see if there's any news coming in. We miss anything? What time we got? Like 10. Yeah, it's like 1 cent. Look, it's too close not to take it. There it is, right there. It's coming for it. Stop loss is at 478, guys. Okay. Hopefully we don't get stopped out. Oh, punched us, guys. It punched us out. Stuck. Did knock me out, guys. Right, we're underneath the levels. ES and NQ is divergence right now. I do like the shorts though. I like the shorts. We're below levels now. This is the level I like. The short one. This will be my last trade on the day. Sorry, QQQ has a gap fill to go to, and it's coming down for it right now, guys. This is the trade originally I wanted, but we did come back into that zone, so we shifted into the long side. I'm looking at the shorts right now, guys. Just looking at the shorts. Don't know if we'll get a pullback because that was a pretty good sized pop right there. Do it. $4.13 is where I'm looking to TP. Okay. Man, let's move. This will be my only trade left. So I got. This is the last trade that I see for myself here. Is this 413 area? It could go down further, right? But you know, that's if you want to trail it. Because now we're bearish on the higher time frame and everything too. We're below levels already. That's why, you know, that retracement was good only if it holds, but it wasn't able to hold it. So if we're below that, we're bearish. We're only long buys if it can hold this level, but it can't hold it. So we're not long buys anymore. Man, look at that. Straight with a banger too. A straight shot to it. No entry. Yeah. Yeah, my first TP would be here. Second would be that 379, 316. Just follow the levels from here. Well, there's a TP1 right there. That one played out. It's just pretty much free fall from here. There's really can't really take any trade, no entry at this point. Gotta wait for some type of pullback. If this area bounces, then we can potentially look for another trade to go through it. Otherwise, there's no entry for shorts right now.
He is willing to try to take trade discussions with the US.
Yeah, but we were long buys into that level, so you know, can't really hold that. We were looking for longs in this area. So it came into the area. Financial juice. Want to get that reaction going? Let's go. Send out that, maybe send out that message for the emoji. Have everyone react to it so we can do it later.
See you guys. See.
Guys, we're doing a raffle later on at the end of this the stream. So just go to this chat message right here and react to it. That way you can have an entry into the spin. So just follow that link right there and just react to it. Then you'll get an entry. So this is the area where it is bouncing, right? Pretty perfect, right there on the level. Pretty damn perfect. Where there's actually a little bit of a hold. This is why it's everything was just showing so strong in sellers. So that's why I was a little hesitant on the longs, looking into long. Even though this one did move up, never made it. It wasn't strong enough. Buyers, that was the only time buyers showed up, was right here in this area. Still short, still looks like it wants to come down. Yeah, ES just rejected too, guys. This is their next move down right here, guys. All right, looking for entry right here, guys. Last trade on the day here. I'll be entering 4 contracts on this if we do take this trade. Watching this area here. I'm just taking it level for level right now. Look, just one level at a time, pretty much at this point. QQQ is about to fill its gap here. So we'll see what happens. So this area right here might be a bounce area, guys. Area right, might be in the bounce area right here too. Watch this. Watch how it reacts here. Volume's still moving up though, so it still looks like sellers are stronger. So just getting ready for some shorts here. This maybe a last attempt at this. 445 would be my stop loss. Watching this right here, guys. 430, 460. Yeah, it's starting to slow down a little bit here. So this area could be where the longs can come in and just take it back to retracement. That's what I would do. Something like this, right?
Connie welcomes you as
So either 15 minutes. 15 minutes still looks strong. So 15 minutes still looks strong here. QQQ is coming down to that gap fill. We're still coming down. It is showing a little bit of weakness on the time frame right here. So I'm expecting like a little pullback right here, maybe to here, and then it can continue downwards. But the higher time frame does show downside now. We're just very bearish already.
Connie says that Canada is still being hit by
Hourly's still following the trend line, though. I just feel like no. Yeah, the hourly has a trend line that's following right now. Oh, is it bouncing right? I was looking at the higher time frame. Anyways, guys, I am looking for a long into this retracement. Longs, and maybe from here, then we continue the shorts like this. Right, that's what. If you think of this nothing to you, if you to me, if you explain something to you, then maybe longer time frame is. So watching this for a long guy because QQQ is trying to fill that gap fill and it almost did already. I don't want to take it unless we get maybe around that 412 here. Or 70. The shorts around this area here. It does hold. Otherwise, if this could potentially be our longs right here. It did take a little bit deeper into where we wanted, but on the higher time frame here, the hourly, we are still holding a bullish trend line here. 4 hour looks pretty nasty. Looks like we can go to at least around this area here. About 186. We can get it. Got protection. The needle, please. The needle. And we have the down. A short here, bigger. Get a retracement. Entry we wanted for longs right here, guys. So this could be it. If I see weakness, yeah, I think something's wrong with my connection. I'm disconnecting right now. Getting a little disconnection here. $13. Issues. Accounts are gonna have disconnected. Alright, guys, coming back down. So I'm still bearish here, but QQQ is about to fill gap, which is gonna be right around this area. So the next short trade idea I have is underneath that level for continuation. It's down to here. but we're gonna see. I don't want to take this trade just yet because I want to see it have a nice retracement, which it hasn't yet. It hasn't gotten that retracement yet. ES is going down there. So ES and NQ is both going right now. QQQ is just filled his gap. So I'm watching right now to see how this area here, okay? If this area gets a recovery, guys, I'm looking to enter longs into that retracement. Retracement is right here. 470. Watching this, guys. Watching this for an entry, okay, guys? ES is still holding here, so ES is still holding a little strong. Watching this for a long entry, guys. See how strong it is. Otherwise, this is your retracement for this short right here. The 15 minutes. Minutes is dropping. Hourly. Hourly is just dropping also. No pullback. This is going to be the main area here that I'm watching. Watching the longs from here, okay? Just taking it to retracement. That's it. Above that 410 level is where I want it.
It's received, of course, you guys see it's part of this.
Yes.
This study you get according to the statement.
Okay, pretty bearish. Still coming down here. Just looking for continuation, it seems like. Yes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes, we're right at that level right now. Still looking for the longs, guys, okay? Getting ready for the longs right here, guys. Longs play is about to come in right now. Getting ready here. I'll be entering 4 contracts if this does go above this 410. Buyers are trying to push up. You can see these wicks right here. QQ's right at that gap, you know. We're still holding below that 410 though, so that's the reason why I don't want to enter just yet. Because that's my pivot point for the shorts also right here. Here we go, guys. Here we go. It's going up. Let's see how it holds. All right, guys, I'm in longs, guys. Stop loss at the lows there. 376 is stop loss. 376 is stop loss, and T-Food. Why is it doing that? Anyways, 465 is full TP, okay, guys? It's gonna be 224 ticks. I don't know why my orders are saying orders filled like that. Really weird. Oh, the fill was completely off. That's why. Some very different fills. 13, $3 off. Weird. So 133 tick stop loss for 224 tick. By 1 to 2. This one. We're just taking it to retracement. If it does finally get a retracement here, we're just taking out the 50% retracement. So we're not even taking it far. And then this area here is where you're looking for your shorts.
5 minutes ago to get the EI natural gas change. The cost is for build 101 BCF. Prior was a build 120 BCF.
Taking it to the retracement, guys. All we are doing, this is just a 50%. I'm not even taking it any. See, I'm not fighting the trend. I'm just taking it to retracement. Go. It's gonna be 224 ticks. Here we go. Go. Very nice. See if we can get a clean move. 465, guys. 465 is our 50% retracement on this leg. There we go. Very nice. And from there, we start looking for the shorts. Okay, guys. Start looking for the shorts around this area. We don't know yet, but we're just gonna wait for that reaction. Let me know more shorts. Maybe. Maybe. But honestly, this area, guys, it could go back all the way. Because look, this little trend line right here is what we're watching. This trend line right here. Right? That trend line right there, right? It's been following that trend. You see that? So see, we're still on an uptrend. Full TP incoming, guys. One more blast, guys. One more blast. One more blast here, and we got full TP. 224 ticks. It knows it wants to give it to us. It knows it wants to give it to us, guys, because QQQ retracement, ES retracement, every retracement is right there, guys. We're going to get it. This is the first retracement that's even happened since this whole move down. It has not moved a 50% retracement in this whole day already. This is your first time right here that it's actually moving to retracement. This is the first breather from this shorts. There we go. Full TP incoming.
One thing to go down to we get an EI.
course, right? Of course, it has to mess with you a little bit first before it gives it. Okay, right? Of course, it has to edge you a little bit before it you know, gives it to us. See, here it is. Now it gives it to us. All right, look at that lower time frame and what it does. Right before it gives it to us, it edges you, right? And then it always does this, right? This is what chart time does for you guys. If you guys have seen the chart over and over every single day, this is what it does. Right before the target, it reverses, shakes people out, knocks people out, right? Anybody that trailed would have got stopped out, and then it gives you it. Same thing every single day. And we got some news right now. We got Pluto news just happened here, guys. Ooh, Pluto just came in. Ooh, ES hit 50% retracement. NQ did not. So ES tapped it, literally tapped it on ES. Let's go. We're here. Here it is coming back for us. Right there it is. You guys can see that pullback. That was the shakeout. Look, guys, I'm gonna sell only 3. I'm gonna keep 1 runner. I think this is gonna keep going. I think this is gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep 1 to run it up. $535, super possible. Super possible. That's like an easy target if these longs hit. Here we go. Full TP, guys. I mean, not full TP, main TP. All right, guys, we got. Damn it. All right, we got. All right, we got 225 ticks right here. About to get our first TP, and then we'll keep some runners. See what we can do. So, there we go, guys. We just hit. All right, let's get it. Let's just start trailing now. Let's just start trailing. Okay, that's 225 ticks right there. Now we just trail. Let's get it. We caught that right there. No drawdown almost, right? So let's go. All right, guys. Stop loss is now at 452. $462. 452 is the stop loss now, guys. $452, guys. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go, right? But just keep in mind, take note of this move right here that just happened. All right, take note of what just happened. Like every single time before we get to TP, it does the same exact thing. So that's why you guys can't get shaken out. That's exactly what it hunts for, right? It's the ones that trail too tightly. It comes up right before it, taps you out, give you a lot less money, or you get shaken out, right? You will just close your trade because you think it's gonna come down. So same exact thing happens every time before your TP happens, right? It pulls back before launching. What does it do, right? It pulls back, grabs all the stop losses here, grabs the stop losses to pay for the TPs here. Does that make sense? Someone's got to lose for you to gain that money. That's how the market works. These are the ones that they take the money from here and they pay the TP here. Someone got to become liquidity, guys. That's just how it works. We're about to get stopped out in profit here. All right, guys, 452, right? We got stopped at 452. And we got back to that area pretty much. All right, guys, look, this is where we're looking for shorts. This is the area, right? We wanted shorts here. ES hit that area also. QQQ, everything's lined up now. This will be my last trade right here, guys. Now that we hit the other trade, this is now the last trade analysis right here. Was that retracement, right? We wanted that retracement, and then we take the longs from here. So let's see. Obviously, we might want to just take it here, and then anything extra is great. So we'll see what happens here. All right, watching this, guys. Right, we want this to be the full TP, but we'll take some off here. This is a retracement. Look at that nice rejection, right? Very nice rejection in the area. That's why we trailed it tightly, because we figured, you know, this is the move. Down, up, and then down. Right here, guys, right here. Getting ready for this trade. Getting ready for the shorts, guys. ES is already showing its hand here. Watching these shorts. Fed's gonna come on speak pretty soon here. Let's see what the orders are. The orders are at 370. 370 is right here. The low. So that's gonna be our first TP. And then I got 320 next. So 320. So 370 is good. Okay, so all right. All right, guys, get ready here. Watching this area. Turn on my little assist here. That happens to be the, all right, look, same area too. TP1 right here, okay, guys? Right here, TP1. Watching this. We're not going to take a trade unless it does what we want. Yeah, see, it's all buyers right now. Buyers picked it up, so we gotta be careful right here. It did reject on the 5-minute, but look at it, kind of tricky, right? That's how people get clapped all the time right there. When it tricks us like that. So right now, if it continues to reject, that's what we're looking for. Right now, stop loss is gonna have to be a little higher here, in case we get a higher entry. 491, guys. It's gonna be. I'm gonna do 495, guys. Yeah, connection loss again. Connection loss. The connection loss. Why I don't. 410 has the next orders now. 410, interesting. 410 is the next orders, guys. So a good trim level will be the 410 actually now. 410. We're gonna tell you guys that. This TP2 right here. TP1 is now 410. Yeah, we're right around break even on the day right now. Let's see, the hourly is bouncing pretty hard. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Let's see what the 15 minutes does. The 15 minutes here is moving upwards, right? Into retracement again. Hourly, 4-hour. So 410, guys, seems like there's some orders there. I think that might force 410 to 370. Might take out the lows again. Might retry the lows again, seems like. But I think good area, guys, would be right around. I wouldn't go for that far anymore. So maybe around this area here, 410, and then final TP around this lows here.
Surely expect. Yeah, text is speculated so in terms of still.
I'll use the restroom real quick. All right. All right, so we're looking for shorts rejection around this area. 5-minute candle did just close. It closed pretty weak too, so shorts do look still okay here. This is just a retracement right now into this area. 410 would be your TP1, guys. You can see liquidity right there, guys. Getting ready for entry right now. See here. All right, guys. I'm in longs. I'm shorts, guys. I'm in shorts. I'm in shorts 4 contracts. I'll be trimming some right there at that 411, guys. 411 is gonna be my half trim point. Full TP around the 380. Just following the liquidity here on the book map. Not trying to be aggressive with any TPs. Just taking exactly where it's showing me. 375. So 410 and then 375. So we got the lows right there at 480. Sorry, 380. Stop loss on this, guys, could be a lot less because the way it's rejecting, guys. 477.25. So let's do 40. Here, I'm gonna do 44. 479, guys. Stop loss. $115 Okay. So trim at 411. Trim half at 411, which is 150 ticks, and then the rest at 381 or so, 260 ticks. This trade's gonna bring us into the green, guys. Right now I'm at break even on the day. 410 has no more orders, guys. So if you guys want to trim there, up to you guys. There's no need to trim there anymore, guys. I'm not trimming anymore there. I'm just gonna hold it now. There's no more orders there, so it means it's a free path through it. No more buyers there. It's at 370 now. So full TP at around that 381, 370, whatever you want to do. I'm just gonna take out the lows because it gets a little tricky. 520. Let's drop it. They removed 410 already, so 410 safe now. We're going to 375, so we're taking at 381. Now we just gotta kind of watch how price action moves. As you can see, orders are kind of get removing like back and forth. Getting a little tricky. The QQQ. Yeah. Trying to get 381, which basically trying to take out the lows here. Holding this little fair value gap. Back. Yes, sir. 60 ticks. Stop loss, guys. 460. So we need to hold that 460. Yeah, a little pop. Where's it going? 520 is the only thing I see above. Why would it go that high? There's no reason to, unless it manipulates up there. 5 minute just closed with a very weak candle, guys. So this candle is very weak going up, so it's a good sign for the shorts, guys. Good sign for the shorts. Look how weak this candle was in the volume, right? As even though it's a hammer, look at that volume, it's dropping. Meaning as price is moving up, volume's dropping down. That's not good for the buyers, right? So let's see here. As long as the moves going up does not pick up volume, we're okay. CES. This one's sideways, so it means there's no buyers present right now. 479 is the stop loss. We have 6. Ooh, something's going on. Something, look, very a lot of buying power. Something stepped in. All the indices are green right now too. We got equal highs here now. All of a sudden, maybe that's the trap. What's going on? Volume is picking up. Right at the high there. Very nasty spot we're in right now because this area we could get wicked out. On the lower time frame, those are all equal highs. So price. What time is it? Sunday volume just picked up. New candle. You might get stopped out of this. Very close to stop out right now. If we do get stopped out, we're done for the day. This it's starting to get a little bit very low volume here in this area. So if we do get stopped out, I'm gonna call it. Hopefully we don't get stopped out. Hopefully we pull through here. It does look like it's coming up though. It's all right, looks like we're about to get stopped down here unless we sellers step in. PQQ like it wants to go up a little bit. Very close to stop out right now, 479, guys. Stopped out right here. Yep, stopped out, guys. All right, guys. Land it. Wrap the day up. Yep. Volume slowing down too. Kind of tough day. We did catch the shorts, but right around this area. Got one good. We got one good long and one good short. So it's like a 2 for 2. 2 winners, 2 losers. I think something like that. Oh, I got to recap. No. But yeah, I ended up with negative 100 ticks. One clean move was right here. I think that was it, right? Yeah, right around. Yeah, we got one clean move to the upside. Besides that, everything was just kind of choppy on this wave. Right here, you can see here. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but this week's price action just not it, man. Like the way move the price has been moving this specific week, I'm not very fond of. Right, we see a lot of this kind of action right here. A lot of red, green, red, green, red, green. Yeah, so every single day so far of the week has been like this: red, green, red, green, red, green candles. And then, I mean, we did get one move like this, which we did caught right off the bat, but you know, we were kind of long biased, so we were trying to look for longs right here, and yeah, it just kept coming down. We missed the shorts too. There was a good short trade right here that we missed. This one was very solid right here, but I wanted that, but you know, I wanted to switch my bias. The price did manage to come back into right, close into the zone here. So from there, that's what made me stick to the long bias. But from here, I wanted these shorts right here. Look, it just came right there. Very clean move. But it was there was no pullback for us to for entry on that one. So yeah, price today this week has been like that, right? You notice that, guys? Price has been like that this week. If price, let's say if your trade setup comes and you don't take it, you're gonna miss the trade right away. That trade does not come back, right? So either you miss the trade and get left behind, or it starts chopping around. That's how it moves. Like it moves very fast through your analysis, or it chops like this. That's what it seems like this whole week has been. So any hesitation today would have made us, you know, miss a trade, which you saw, right? This trade I hesitated on, missed it right away. The longs trade right here, I did not hesitate on that. So that one I got right away, right? No drawdown. We pretty much you see the candles, right? Look at the big see these candles like 1 5 minute candle push up to the target. See, each one of these candles are just one candle. We're not getting like two candle push, we're just getting one candle pushes. That 60% is pretty good, not gonna lie. But yeah, guys, I'm done on the day here. Been here for way longer than normal. Get back at it. To be honest, this week I'm just kind of like in survival, just kind of in defensive mode. Not really being too much aggressive on the market. Kind of risk off in this market this week. Just the way it's moving. I just don't like the way it's been moving this week at all. So you know, just gotta survive it. Come to it next week stronger, right? Every single week, you know, you just gotta make sure you don't go too crazy. So, you know, just manage it, survive the week. If this week's not good, next week could be better. All right, so just survive it, and then come back another time. Live to fight another day, guys. Live to fight another day. All right. See, do we spin right now? Let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead and spin, guys. We're gonna spin right now. Um, since we're ending it here, we're just gonna spin it. Last chance, guys. Last chance for you guys to get into the 14-day free trial. Here you go. Go into that message right there and click the emoji, and you're in it. All right, I'm gonna start spinning now. Spinning now, guys. Last chance for you guys.
moments when we're expected to get Bank of England Governor Bailey's text release. Fitch Ratings says China is set for more rate cuts. A 7-day reverse repo now the key policy area. Against this.
One. All right, nobody wins, guys. Let's see. We spinning right now? Josh, I think that one's a new one. All right, Josh, you are the winner of the 14 days. Josh, winner, go claim. All right, guys, we're done here. You guys enjoy your day. Today's okay day. Nothing special. Yeah, so retracement on this move here would be around this 525, 535 area. That will be your retracement to the downside, but this area here is as you can see, right, we did bounce right at that. We bounced right at that what is it? The trend line. The trend line of the higher time frame. So the hourly right now looks pretty bullish right now too. It looks like it's gonna be able to recover. The 4-hour looks also good. 15-minute looks pretty good here. So if the best entry on this trade, if you guys were to try to trade this, guys, will be the 470, 480 area. Okay, so I'm not gonna do anything. I'm done on the day, but that would be the area where you would try to enter, right? Something like this. I'll give you guys whatever I see right now. That'll be the area for entry right around this area. Right there. Then stop loss would be like right around that 425, maybe 424. 422. See, that'll be your trade right there. And then yeah, this looks like it can go up a good amount here. We cover the whole thing maybe. Let's see, 475. $650, six. You guys take it like 480 maybe. TP1 would be right there. Weekly level 560, and then TP2 would be somewhere up here.
Spaces and politics control the interest Definition is done.
This trade has potential to go all the way up here. This 6. But all right, guys, I am done. But if you guys still sticking around, this would be a trade idea here, right? Your longs will be around the 480, 480, 470, and your first TP would be this 560 and then 617. That'll be a solid longs if everything works out and lines up.
Bailey says there is embarrassment. Which I so bad. I would choose not to have his level.
This will be your trade idea, right? So just keep a note of that. Just remember the 480. You can set like alerts like that on trading view, and yeah, so that way you don't sit there and watching it. Alrighty, peace out. You guys enjoy, trade safe, and do not degen. Alright, just control your losses and just survive today. Tomorrow could be a better day.
We have posted out that speed talking can actually speed.
Peace out, guys.